Welcome back. I was thinking about ways to get better, and review is definitely up there. Not just like reviewing the question, but also presenting them as if I'm in an interview or as if I am trying to teach someone like myself. So, in these videos, what I'm going to do is revisit the problems I have attempted and also present them using the Reacto format. I'll continue to attempt problems in this fashion, but I've noticed that a lot of those, such as asking the right questions or edge cases, are difficult to do with my current level of experience. Reacto format is as follows for anyone who's not familiar with it. R is read the questions out loud, state the goal using my own words, and ask clarifying questions. E is examples, walk through test cases, maybe provide an edge case, clarify that those make sense with my interviewer or students. A is for approach, where I will explain my strategy before typing. So this is where I could use like whiteboarding and talk about, pros and cons of the brute force way versus optimized way. C is to code, where we just write the clean solution. T is for testing, dry run my code with one of the example test cases, and ideally trace the variables step by step to show the logic in work. And O finally is the optimization step, where I would state the time and space complexity using the big O notation, aka the worst case scenario. And the intent for these review videos would be not to solve them, but have the solution in front of me and get the extra reps of being exposed to those ways of problem solving for me to identify some of the patterns that are common when solving these leak code problems, and also being able to communicate, assuming that I have everything in front of me, am I able to convey what the problem is there to teach us.